Thank you for choosing Western Heating, Air, and Plumbing. We're excited to help you with your heating and air conditioning installation. Here's what you can expect on the day of your install. Before we arrive, you'll receive a text message and email from our office with our technician's location and a picture of them. Before we arrive, please have your pets put away and secured. When we arrive to your home, we will lay down floor protection all the way from the front door to the utility room. We want to make sure that your carpet or flooring is protected. We will begin by removing your old equipment. Don't worry, we will take this equipment with us and we will dispose of it. Keep in mind that this whole installation process can be noisy, so if you're trying to work from home, just be aware of that. Next, we will bring in your new equipment and begin modifying your ductwork to fit the new cabinet size. Generally, a new installation takes less than 1 business day. Once the installation is complete, we will walk you through changing filters or any other necessary maintenance required. We'll also walk you through operating your new thermostat. And if there are any applicable rebates, we actually sit down with you and help you apply for those. Be aware that for a furnace installation, when the system is first fired up, it can have a little bit of a smell and it may set off smoke detectors as it burns off its factory oil. Before we go, we make sure that the area is nice and clean and roll up all of the floor protection on our way out the door. We are so excited for you to have your new system up and running, but this isn't the end of the road for us. Please reach out with any questions. We are here to help.